Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick little unboxing and first impressions and thoughts on this automatic tape dispenser. But I'm actually going to be using this to cut a ribbon, okay? So a while back on social media, I saw this crafter using a similar machine and I was intrigued because again, this is a tape dispenser, okay? It's supposed to cut tape. However, though, she was using it to cut ribbon. And so I just went on Amazon, I put ribbon cutting machine, and all of these machines are labeled again as like cutting tape. However, though, this specific brand that I purchased, the BladeMaster, did give a video kind of showing it cut different materials of ribbon like satin, gross grain, the metallic ribbon. And so I went ahead and, you know what? Let me get it. Let me try it. And here we are. Here's kind of like my first impression thoughts on this. It's super easy to turn on and install and to program. So there's a little side button. You move it left or right. That is going to help you hold the ribbon in place. And after that, you can input the length that you want. Use the plus or minus sign. And you can save up to 6 sizes on there in the machine. And then you press blue forward, to put it into the machine, and then you can start cutting. So that's pretty cool. The only thing though that you need to keep in mind is that the measurements are in millimeters, so you need to convert that. For example, I wanted 4 inches, and so I went on Google and converted that. However, though, it's not exactly the same. It was a little bit off, so you have to play around with it and kind of figure out the measurement that you want and adjust it. And again, like I said, you could save up to 6 sizes. Another thing is the machine, you can do it manually or automatically. So if the blue blinking light is on, that means that it's going to be automatically cutting it. If it's off, then you just press start, the green button, and it's going to cut one by one, as many as you desire. The only thing that I didn't like about this machine though is that you can't input how many pieces to cut. For example, like set the automatic button, that one, it's gonna cut as many as it goes until you stop it. So yeah, that's the only thing I didn't like. But overall though, it's pretty cool. I 100% recommend this machine. Like, imagine how much time you're gonna be saving by having the machine cut it instead of you. Excited to use. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You press the orange button to remove it from the machine, and you can add the other one that you need. Again, the little side button, you can slide it, so if you need a bigger ribbon to fit, it'll adjust on there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I am impressed. I love it. It was $100 on Amazon. However, though, they had like a $20 coupon, and so it ended up being $80. So yeah, I'll link it down below.